Doodle Pop was a part of SpongeBob?
Oh, I've been knowing now. I'm about to get him tattooed. Along with Squidward! Squidward!
That just looks so fucked up. I just realized that. That looks so, like, bad.
We were both extremely hot.
I know.
Yes.
So, as you can see. Yada! But we have big old Ram 250. And we also got Ty's 240.
Wait a second. We got the 240 to the 250?
Yeah, baby.
And whatever that is.
So yeah, the fuel pump on this bad girl went bad. We're still working on the fenders. Fuel pump went bad. She don't start, no fuel pressure, you know. We got the most popular way of strapping down a vehicle is by using your built-in roll bars that come factory.
Yeah.
Why is your car pissing coolant?
Huh?
It's pissing coolant.
Yeah.
It was. Fine.
You're overheating.
Oh shit, I know what it is. I can't take this car.
Although it was going, wasn't it?
It was pissing me.
Oh, it's hot as fuck.
Oh.
Yeah, no, that's what I kind of thought it was.
The hose clamp.
Yeah.
Hose clamp said good night.
I need a new hose. It's fine.
We said good night. Dude, is that a fucking is that an SR20, bro?
Yeah, bro.
Yeah,
SR20.
SR20.
Well, this car's out of commission until I buy a hose.
That's a Duramax.
Yeah.
It's actually a 4BT.
Why'd you park it here?
I'm gonna move it back. I just wanted to check.
House tour. Flatline house tour. Oh, we got the Volvo V70R. It's been tuned. It's very fucking smooth now. Car's pretty good, Dude, your mom does not love you. Dude, you should just fucking go in the bathroom and just drown yourself in the sink.
Hey everybody. Welcome to my crib.
We gotta move. Oh shit. Oh, he's a baller. Oh shit, but Reed's backing up. Mr. Pilot. She's going back home. She spent the night at the Reed Pavilions house. What are we doing today, Ty?
You know, what does cancer in the tummy feel like?
Painful.
Oh. I am just hungry. We're gonna take it home, look at the fuel pump, and then maybe get another one.
Alright, we'll conclude this section. We will see you on the road.
Oh shit. Grab that.
Oh, I gotta unhook something. Well, that fuel does not smell healthy. Let's plug it in.
Get out of the car.
Bring it in the trunk and plug it in and try to prime it.
You want to feed power to it?
Yeah, I took off the battery disconnect.
Oh, hold on.
Try to see if the pump spins when you plug it in.
How do you want me to get power to it?
Just plug in the connectors.
Oh, I see. Alright, it's plugged in.
What about, there's 2 ports on the top.
I know, but there was never one other one plugged in over here. I don't know what this is for.
I wonder if it got ripped out. There's that other one plugged
I
in.
already tried this one, it doesn't. Or at least Mason said it didn't. But yeah, no, it doesn't.
That's weird. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Flip the battery switch back on.
Where's the?
With this?
Yeah.
Oh, you took that off.
Yeah. All right. Ready?
Yep. It spins.
What the fuck? It's an AEM fuel pump.
It's just really quiet.
That's normal.
I know. I'm just saying it's quiet. That's why they never heard it.
I heard a noise. I wonder.
So then why the fuck wasn't it getting
check
fuel
the
pressure?
bottom filter.
Think it's clogged?
Yeah.
So can you hold this up?
Wait, hold on. Hold it just like that. I'm gonna see if the pump will pump that fuel that's in that line out. Oh. What's different? I bet you it's that fucking crimp connection. Look back, look down at the wires. You see the crimp connections?
These?
Well, yeah.
I bet you those are shot. Ready? Now move them around. I don't want to kill the pump.
It works.
I wonder if those crimp connections went bad.
Let's see
Try
how-
tugging on them.
I was gonna say, let's see how easy they pull apart. I mean, they're pretty sturdy.
Yeah, they're pretty sturdy.
The filter looks. I mean, there's some shit, but there's not a lot.
Yeah, that's not.
There's not enough to
fucking-
block anything.
Yeah, that's not enough.
So that means there's something else in the way, and that's because it's still not getting fuel pressure.
Stick it back in. Does it sound like it's in the liquid yet?
No.
Get a bucket. Get one of the pans. No, hold it up towards you.
What do you mean?
Because I'm gonna turn it on, see if it pumps fuel.
Okay.
Get the buckets, and have it you can have it hanging out to you.
What fucking buckets?
The little blue bucket, the fucking oil change buckets.
Oh
It's pumping.
Shit.
That wasn't good.
I got lucky that didn't hit my shirt, hit my arm. All right, I need a rag now.
Go wash off with the hose. Just hope she don't leak.
What the fuck? No.
Does not like that. Okay. We're going.
All right.
That's so fucking weird.
So we're playing with
What the
sparklers
fuck is on your wrist?
today.
Oh, that's fucked up.
What the fuck?
So we're playing with sparklers today, everyone.
Come on, light, it's burning my hand. Come on, please. Please. Oh shit.
Fire!
Wait, what? I wish it blew up.
Fire.
No, let that burn. Let that burn.
No, actually let it burn.
Let the trash burn.
Why is it popping outside?
I farted like twice.
What kind of car you want?
Just like a cheap car to begin with.
Yeah?
Yeah.
No, we gotta give him a full car. I guess we're gonna
So I'm too
Yeah, try starting it. Alright, stop.
All right, you have something clogging your line. We just pulled the line to the rail.
So what are you selling?
A dare alerter, so basically it just whistles so
Okay.
they can get away.
Or what about those towels? You selling those towels?
No, those are to keep it away from the rain.
Oh, okay. What about the bike? You selling the bike?
No, it's dust.
I mean, for like,
Mr. Beast video.
I'll give you 10 grand for that bike.
Summer, at least.
no, you won't.
Imagine. If they were to sell the bike, how much would you
Last
sell?
time I drove is probably the fall.
It's like a nice $200 bike.
Yeah, brand new. It's probably about $230.
$230?
I got it for Christmas, so I have no idea. But my mom told me it's a good bike, so
It's a good bike.
Your
yeah.
mom lied to you. Yeah.
Alright, y'all. Today we're about to make a profit. I'm about to sell a kid on the sex trade.
Who the fuck is that kid?
You just showed
Does he know any of us? Does he know
We met him on the street like a couple of days ago. He was trying to sell little toy motorcycles. And yeah, we just fucking. He just pulled out. We tried to sell his fucking deer whistle.
Can we sell this?
Sitting on it.
Yes, sir.
Just accessory smoke for like 2 seconds, or until we say stop.
So we'll get a light like right at this. See.
All right.
Try cranking it.
I also didn't put the clutch in.
We're marking the line.
Yeah, that's. I'm gonna do that one. I'm gonna put the other zip tie on the other line.
zip tie on
On
the
the
other
line.
line so he could line it, you know?
I need the rag again. All I can smell is fuel.
Yeah.
And Mountain Dew.
I need like
Mountain Dew,
please.
too.
Thank you.
Fuck off, you cunt.
You bitch, it's Fokker. You're begging up you. Accessory mode.
That could be a little fun. It would do absolutely nothing.
Or it's the fill, and this is what's stopping. It just starts.
I
shooting
really
out.
hope it's this that's fucked up, because if we have to go past that, it's gonna be a fucking pain.
You want to
we need
rotate
the
this a little
lift.
bit? This like bracket off, Cam. You see what I'm saying? Because there might be something under it. Oh, that's fine.
Look at the two of them.
Yeah, this is definitely a filter. Fuck.
Well, maybe the filter was.
Is there another
clogged.
rag?
There's one over there.
Alright, back to the drawing board, boys. Let me see this.
Well, we gotta see if fuel comes out.
Cool. Accessory mode.
That is true. It could be a
No,
clogged
we're waiting
filter.
for. We're waiting for.
We're waiting for Ty.
But how would it go from perfectly fine to a clogged filter in like 2 seconds?
There is a piece of shit in the fuel tank that just got floated into it.
Yeah, but there's a filter before the pump too, so.
You never know. It could have just been so much shit left over. It's just over time.
Fuck
Small
yeah,
microns.
Mine as well.
Small microns. Wow!
Yeah, that. Yep.
Yo, pass me that rag when you're done with it.
Ty, accessory mode. Back up at me.
Hey, I'm not like him.
Accessory mode.
Make sure you get the lines. Give me that.
All we need is accessory mode, Ty. All right.
Oh, dude, he's drinking a fucking.
Come on, dude.
You're having
you
a
can
drink
open the
too?
door. You know that, right? You could get in with the door open. Accessory mode. Just accessory. No.
Oh, this beer is like really.
Try cranking it.
Alright.
Right, stop.
So that's
Somewhere in
fucked.
between the pump
That's
and there.
fucked. Now this just got way harder.
This has got fucked up. What if there's a secondary pump underneath the car? That could just be a feed pump inside the tank.
Maybe, but now we need to put the car in the air.
Well, I could just look under. Watch out.
Cam and his Slenderman ass build is
He's
gonna
about to-
slide
he's about
under
to
there.
He's about to put X-ray cheats on
Cam,
to see
what'd you
what's
say you were
fucked
gonna
up in
do?
the line.
I'm gonna slide under.
Under this?
Cam, turn X-ray on.
For reference.
Figure out where the lines
For
are.
reference.
Go get like a redstone block, a fence post, and a minecart.
How the fuck are you gonna get under this, Cam? There's like 2 inches clearance.
He's built like Slenderman.
He is.
He's Flat Stanley.
Try it again.
Flat Camley.
Accessory or crank?
Accessory.
No! Let's unplug the fans like we were originally gonna do.
Yeah, unplug the fan. No, I'm really fucking sick and tired of this shit, guys. I'm fucking sick.
Yo, relax, dog.
Demonetize before monetization happens.
You forgot the trench coat.
You finally get monetized in this video.
You hurt.
There's a fuel issue right now.
There's no control.
I didn't
This
see
is what
anything.
chillin' looks like.
Really. All right, we have another
Nah,
idea.
Ty's vibing.
We have another idea.
What?
I don't think it's gonna work, but We're gonna
undo the braided lines in the back.
Yeah, we're gonna use the compressor and
we're gonna blow right through the air
through the line.
Oh,
and
yeah, that's
see
a good
if
idea.
fuel comes out this side. Because if it's clogged, then no fuel will come out. Or something will come out that's not fuel.
with the fuel, maybe Mountain Dew.
That was a cute shot of you waving.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
No, it won't. It will.
Cam, what are you looking for?
Transistors and resistors. We'll be fine.
What are you looking for, Cam?
Trying to figure out how to attach it to air nozzle to it.
No, the fucking the toolbox doesn't have power.
You know what he needs? You know what he needs? Duct tape and zip ties.
And a sawzall, you can cut it off at the right angle.
And a bit for when he gets mad when it doesn't fucking work.
Wash it out the hose now.
Oh, it's all over the dash.
You could have gave us a fucking warning, dude.
Reed said go, send it.
Dude, it fucking blew up in there.
No, we gotta take the other one. Hold on, don't go. Someone report it back here.
Tell what happened. Reed said send it. So Cam put the fucking air compressor in the line, shot it. It fucking exploded in the car, shot it everywhere, and it somehow hit my face. So I'm gonna wash it out of my eye. Why is there a fucking hole in the... There's a hole in the fucking hose. Shot. Yeah, we gotta unravel it. What the fuck? There. Oh my god! What the fuck? Dude, this camera is soaked.
We've tested everything and theoretically everything works.